Hey, what's up everybody? And this is Mace. Welcome back to Mace's Unbox. And I've got a few more Pokemon to unbox here today, and these are the starters for the earliest Pokemon games, Bulbasaur, Squirtle, and Charmander. Now, these ones I really wanted to get because I love those original 250 or so Pokemon from the Game Boy and Game Boy Color games, so let's take a look at what's inside. You can see the artistic leaf symbol. And you got the smiling Bulbasaur here. Got that nice smooth flower thing up at bloom on here. Pretty cool. Next, we'll take a look at Charmander. Of course, this is the one that gets left in the cold in the anime, and Ash eventually raises to Charizard. Spoilers for a 25-year-old TV show. This has a really neat thing on the tail, too, with this sort of glass-ish looking tail. It's got a good smile on its face. Overall, pretty neat. And I will end with the one that I always start off with, and that is Squirtle, just because I kind of find that it's most all-around useful in the early Pokemon games. And I really like Blastoise. One thing I definitely wish is that this one had a Squirtle Squad variant, you know, where it had the sunglasses on here. But yeah, you can see that design there. And what's funny is that this Squirtle actually looks like one that they showed in a Godzilla movie that ends up getting thrown in a fireplace. So that's pretty neat too. Anyway, that's my Funko Pop Pokemon Starters unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, and please consider supporting us on Patreon. And let me know in the comments what Pokemon you started out with. Was it Charmander or Bulbasaur, or was it Squirtle like me? Anyway, I will see you in my next video.